a vector f1 is along the positive x-axis if its vector product with another vector f2 is 0, then f2 vector may be. Here we are discussing about two vectors, that is f1 vector and f2 vector, whose vector product or we can say cross product is 0. So first we see vectors which are given, that is f1 vector, and information is given that it is along positive x-axis, means its direction will be I cap, and its magnitude is not defined. Suppose it is f1, therefore f1 vector can be written as f1 I cap. F1 is the magnitude, I cap is the direction, and f2 vector is not given, which has to be find out, but a condition is given, that is cross product or vector product of these two vectors are 0, or we can say null vector. If cross product of two vectors are 0, it means these vectors, that is f1 and f2, are parallel or anti-parallel. So if cross product of two vectors are 0, that means they must be parallel or they must be anti-parallel. Therefore f2 vector will be like this. F2 will be its magnitude, its direction will be same as f1 vector, therefore it can be written as f2 I cap, or it can be written as f2 minus I cap, where f2 is representing magnitude, I cap or minus I cap is the direction, possible direction. Therefore according to our cases we can study this. In case 1 it is given, that is 4 j cap, but we required f2 vector, that will be f2 I cap or minus of f2 I cap. On comparing we are not getting the same, therefore this will not be the case. Moving on to second case, it is given minus of I cap plus j cap. So in this case also j cap is involved, but according to our question we will require f2 in the form of f2 I cap or minus f2 I cap. Therefore this is not the case, because we required f2 in the form f2 I cap or minus f2 I cap. Now moving on to the third case, it is given I cap plus k cap. Again on comparison we will get a component along k cap, but in our question we required only component on x axis. So again this is not the case. So f2 can be written as f2 I cap or minus of f2 I cap. Now moving on to the fourth case, in which it is given minus of 4 I cap on comparison with f2 vector, which can be f2 I cap or minus of f2 I cap. So here we will get f2 vector, that is equal to minus 4 I cap. Here magnitude is 4 and direction of vector is minus I cap. Therefore this will be our answer, that is minus 4 I cap, which is anti-parallel to the given vector. Hence their dot cross product will be 0, because vectors which are parallel or anti-parallel have cross product equal to 0. Therefore answer of this question is minus 4 I cap. Thank you.